Are you tired of throwing money at ads with mediocre results? Learn how to use AI to boost campaign performance in minutes. We'll walk through Semrush's Ads Launch Assistant to set up a data-backed campaign. First, organize your data in folders. First, head to Semrush Folders to get your data organized. Then, click on Advertising in the left sidebar. Now, select Ads Launch Assistant from the menu. Take a moment to review the information on this page. Go ahead and click Try It Now to get started. Review the available offers to see which plan suits your needs. Click on Base to see what's included. Then, click on Pro to compare the features. Finally, click Get 7 Days Free Trial to start. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.